Hey, traders, wait, look at this. Look at this. Oh man, you're gonna love this. So over the past like 60 days, Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, they've just been pushing, I mean really pushing, with these beautiful green candles everywhere. It's like every time I check the charts, I'm thinking, no way it keeps going. And then boom, there it is again. People are calling it a full-on bull run. And honestly, I'm starting to feel that energy too. And look, if you're trying to stay ahead, like actually ahead, not just guessing our Patreon page, it's right there. We've been dropping premium signals and insights and all these strategies that just make you go, oh, that's what I was missing. It's like opening a drawer you never open and finding something really good inside, you know? And get this, you can jump in with the tester plan for just 10 bucks. 10. It's like dipping your toes in before cannonballing into the deep end. Don't wait, seriously. Don't position yourself early while all this momentum is building. And hey, remember, die war.